It's a 2012 Chevrolet Impala. The exterior is akin to an athlete in a well-tailored suit. Perfect lines that show off the strength beneath. Inside, the perfect fit continues, with room for 5 and everything you need to take with you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.